Hello and welcome. I'm at CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart. Mooveo Ford Transit campervan. Okay, there's the price, 60,000. It needs to be pointed out that it has been used. It's a dealer model, but all the same, 60,000 euros isn't such a bad price. So there you'd have the basic price, but they've also got other things. If this were new, it'd be closer to 75,000 because of what they put inside. I really like the Ford Transit on a camper van. First thing, the extra height that it's got. Now obviously you can get the H3, the higher one, and the Fiat Ducato, but you can't get it in this size, which is a problem. This is an automatic, sorry, a manual gearbox, lots of space in here. We've got a large kitchen unit here. We can pull this thing here out, and this will give the fridge down there, two burners. We've got this sink following that, a bit of extra space here for preparation of food. We've got the there's the toilet and the shower. Very, very spacious. For a vehicle of this size, I think this is absolutely enormous in my opinion. Anyway, look at this. Also a sensible sliding door across there. If we come up to the rear, now the bed has been put at a height accessible via a ladder, and under that we can see, oops, it was open anyway. I've got a bit of a wardrobe there, and they've got a door at the other side as well, and that you can have access to the wardrobe from the garage. Why you'd want to do that, I don't know, but it's there if you do want this. Down here, drawers of course, and the kitchen block. Note they've got proper walls on them, and around here as well we've got storage. And they have put the elastics in. As much as I don't like ledges, if there's got an elastic in, it's forgivable. And there's an elastic up there at the back as well, making the full use of the space. Spotlights that side, lighting of course all the way back there. You have the what do you call that, the skylight. Now the Ford is a bit more difficult to put a mosquito net in, but it's now not as difficult as it was. Some of the earlier versions you found a bit of a plastic piece here, no longer necessary. Somebody seems to have worked one out to use the Ford with the mosquito net. Let's come now round to the back, where we will observe all of this space at the back here. Now in here we will find gas, that's for cooking. For heating you use the diesel. Storage up there, place to keep your cables for example, and here is the access from the rear into the wardrobe. And here we've got the batteries, and below that there's the water as well. Yeah, fuses I think are there as well. Yes they are. And so outer shower connection. Okay, I think this is one of the best Ford campers on the market. I'm not so keen on this, but though this way of sort of, I'd rather have a proper blind and windows that would open. But I suppose in life you can't have everything. Mind you, it's just more secure than most of them, mainly because you can't open them. Take you around to the front again. So that's a Mooveo van, 60 dB. On Ford. Thanks for watching, hope you found that interesting, and I upload every day at 21:15. Lots more camper vans on this channel should you be interested. So for the moment, from me in Stuttgart, thanks for watching and bye for now.